How long can I burp? Hi, Vince. Yeah, my burps take some manipulation, but I can. Those are my on command burps. Marcus. Marcus, that was for you. Any funny burp stories? Godzilla Beyond. I love that. Embarrassing ones, proud ones. No embarrassing ones. I'm proud 100%. um, um, I do have a few stories because actually I've been thinking about it. Someone's been asking me, and I just like the only one that stands out is I don't know if you guys know about the bar story. It's on my it's on my TikTok. But I basically got kicked out of a bar for belching too loud. I was drinking, I was bar hopping with some friends, and I went in this bar. It was a pretty quiet bar. It kind of reminded me of like a biker bar, like a bar you'd catch your grandpa at or something. And they just like didn't like my vibes. I was coming up in there. I was being a little rowdy. I ordered one beer. It was a fucking Coors Light, just like this in a bottle. And I let a fucking loud one rip. And he took my beer away from me. He pulled it back behind the bar. And I don't know why, but I laughed at him. I literally thought he was joking. I was like, and then he was printing out my tab and he said, "No, ma'am, it's not a joke. Please leave." And I said, "Damn, I didn't know. I didn't know burping was gonna get me kicked out, but." And I had to take a picture in front of the door because I was just mind blown. And I was just like, fuck you, bro. I'll go to the next bar. Don't need your bar. I don't know what the bartender thought, but I think he was just like, didn't want some rowdy ass bitches in there. That's all I think. I don't really give a fuck. Thank you. That was for you guys. Belching Betty, I love you. I told you I get kicked out of the Walmart because I just go in there and belch all the time. They don't accept me in my Walmart anymore. When and how did I find out it's a kink? Interesting. Just a few weeks ago. Welcome. Here I am. I literally had no idea, guys. I would have been in the game by now. I mean, or, I would have been here for the people by now. Did you come to see me burp? Because that's what I'm doing. One more burp, I got you. Outfit check. I'm playing Jane right now. I think we'll be doing live tomorrow after the wedding. I'll be fucking drunk as hell and I'll just be like just like that. Timmer? Timmer? See, I can burp on command. It's just shitty. It's like, it's not worth it. It's like, I might as well just wait for the, for the big ones. Good. Guys, it's really not worth it. Like, I'm not as good as Katie. You guys said it on the forums. I'm not as good as Katie. Don't be hurting my feelings on the forums now. Better out than in, I always say. What made me want to start burping on TikTok? That's a good question. I had the one video that my sister posted. You guys commented on it and that you wanted more. And I was like, I can do this all day, so if you want more, I'm totally down. And I just kept goofing around with it. I like to be silly, and I like to just kind of have fun. And I mean, you guys, I'm just being me, so like, it's funny that I can just come on here and be me and be so accepted. That's kind of like the trippy part about it, I guess, because I never really fit in anywhere. People may think otherwise, but I remember I cleared out a room one time. I cleared out a room playing beer pong with a bunch of guys. I was playing beer pong and, obviously drinking a lot before and during. And I just let a big one rip, and they just were so shocked. They didn't even want to play the game anymore. They just like all left the room laughing and shaking their heads. And the guy I was with, he just kind of gave me a high five, but I think that the thing was they didn't want me playing beer pong anymore, so they used my burp as an excuse to clear the room so they could get new players on the board, which is fine. I don't give a fuck. Do I like it when guys like my burps? Sure, whatever. Sure. I like... Everyone give Trash Panda some love. Trash Panda, this is for you. Trash Panda, stop. We're both burp queens. We're both good. Shoe Nice. Dude, do you think I could go live with Shoe Nice right now? No, I won't. I love Shoe Nice. Shoe Nice! Oh my god, stop. Stop right now. I love you so much. I can't believe you're in here right now. Oh. Everyone, hop on Shoe Nice's page. Give him some love. He's amazing. Oh, Shoe Nice, stop it. It's just a little baby one. Shoe Nice is for you. It smells like spicy soup, Coke, and a hint of strawberry from my White Claw. Did you see my eyes? Look into my eyes. I'm full of shit. Put that on your forum. Put this on your forum. Hey guys. Oh, I should have done a closed mouth one. I guess. Fuck it. Fucking tasty. Hold on a second. Beer burp slider or cola burp slider? I think beer, but honestly, I think it also depends on what I eat because sometimes a peanut butter jelly sandwich just slaps with a Coca-Cola. Oh, it only stays a second. Oh my god. I think I feel a burp coming. It wasn't really a good one, but I can't burp right now. I'm getting tired and I'm sicky. Sam? Go to bed, Sam. Bye, bye, bye.